Good morning, my name's Ben Croft. Been asked to carry out a review by the Builders Talk Group on the DCW210N Dewalt 120mm rotary sander. As you can see, I've already used it. I couldn't wait to get it out of the box and give it a quick go. Wanted to get a grip of it really first before I did the review. Out of the box, it doesn't come with this particular one doesn't come with a Dewalt stack system box, but it does come with a small dust extractor bag that locks into place. Now it does have like a little, as you can see there, extraction port there, which I can imagine the Dewalt extractor connects to properly. I don't have that particular extractor, so I have to use it with the sanding bag. I put my own battery on. It's got variable speed, up to 7, down to 1, with a switch on the front which operates it. It's quite powerful with a 5 amp battery in. I'm particularly happy with it. It's a Velcro backing, so with generic holes for the extraction. Let's give it a quick go. It's a good little sander. It feels good in the hand. With the battery on, it's quite heavy, and the battery tends to, I don't know, get in the way slightly when you're trying to hold it. But I can imagine that's with all rotary sanders. Let's give it a quick go in the kitchen on a wall that I've pre-filled. Without the extractor in, there's a lot of over dust, overspray as such, but that's just because I haven't got a extractor. I'm happy with it. It's a good little tool. I'll be using it quite a lot. I make a lot of cabinets, so I'll carry on using it for the time being, and do further reviews on how I think it performs. Thank you very much. Cheers for watching. Morning, my name's Ben Croft. This is the second part of my review for the Dewalt DCW210 sander. I've got my own battery on it. What I have made is a small spout as such for the extractor. I don't have a Dewalt extractor, so I've made a little tube that fits into the back of this little device. Because I'm working in a workshop, I thought I'd just try and add a little bit of extraction. Let's get it going for you. One that I did earlier. I filled these last night. You can see without the extractor, there's a fair amount of stuff that comes away. Now when I plug it into my extractor, Sorry, it's going to be rather noisy. Bear with me 1 second. Got quite good suction. Lovely clean finish. It's highly recommended, just for the sake that you haven't got leads running everywhere from a normal rotary sander. I can't tell you exactly battery run time at the moment because I just haven't had it running that long. I suppose I've had it running for about 2 hours overall, I'd say, with the time that I've used it, about 2 hours overall. And that's with a 4AH battery. So if you're running it for extremely long periods of time, I can imagine that it'll probably last you 2, possibly 3 hours. I've still got I've got 2 bars left. I've got 2 bars left with probably around about 2 hours use time. I don't think there's much more I can add with this and the other video that I've posted. I'd say I highly recommend it for the ease of use, the power of it, for the particular work that I do. As you can see, even with my Titan vacuum, there's very little dust. Some more that I sanded down there just a minute ago. There's very little dust that comes from it, so the extraction port works really well. It's a great little sander actually for 125mm. I highly recommend it. It's very powerful. I've got a 110 Bosch sander as well, and it meets the expectations of that. Thanks very much for watching.